Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's look I will be doing this smoky look for you guys today. I don't know, I just felt like I wanted to do something more simple for you guys, and I know a lot of you guys like on Christmas and New Year's, I know you guys like to go on the soft side, so this is the reason that I created this smoky look for you guys. It's really easy to do, so if you guys are interested in knowing how I created this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and start with my face first because this look is not too exaggerated and I'm not using really dark shades. So I think I don't have, oh my god, I don't think I'll have a lot of fallout, and if I do, it won't be really dark, so I can just dust it off. Okay, so to prime my face, I'm going in with the Dr. Branded Luminizer Primer. I seriously love this primer so much. Okay, so I'm going in with the Milani 05 Warm Honey, I believe. 05 Warm Beige, sorry. I really like this foundation because my skin is more on the dry side. And with this foundation, you guys, the only reason I'm using this little brush is because I really don't have any more, and this is like my favorite one. Okay, and then what I like to do is take my Morphe setting spray and my favorite brush for foundation and just spray it. Okay, and then for my concealers, I am going to go in with both of these two shades. This one's from Milani and then this one's LA Color. So as you guys know, I always like to apply the lightest shade in the front. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply a little bit of the RCMA powder. I'm just setting it. To contour, I am going to go in with the Anastasia foundation stick, and this one's in the shade Milk. I used to always say Milk. Oh my god. I don't contour a lot right here, just like on my bones, because I do have a smaller forehead, or like a really smaller forehead, and I don't want it to look any smaller. And then the cheeks as well, like I never bring down the contour down here. It's just like right here so I can pop up my little cheekbone. So today I am gonna bronze a little bit with the Hula bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. So for my lip combo, I am going to use these two. And this one's from lightglam.com, and this one's in the shade Couture. And this one's from LA Colors, and it's in the shade Forever Red. Okay, so the first color we'll be taking is going to be this one. I'm just applying it all inside my crease. Then I am going to take this one, and I'm just mainly focusing this color on the outer corner. And then just lightly bringing it all the way down to the inner corner. Okay, third color I will be taking is going to be this one. And again, I'm going to focus this one on the outer corner as well. I'm just taking some black shadow and just strictly sticking it right under the lower lash line. And then I'm taking a little bit of this shade and then going back in with this one and blending everything out together. Now I'm gonna draw my liner. The brush I'm using is from Walmart. So on this part, you just want to kind of start flicking it upwards to smoke it out. You can just always go back and apply a little bit of more black shadow to where your eyeliner is, just to intensify it just a little bit more. And then last but not least, my lashes. My lashes I will be applying are, sorry, excuse my hand, but I was trying on different shades of colors, but it's these. I love them. They're so natural, but yet I don't know, I just love them. I love how they make my eyes look, and these are from Betsy Lashes. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. am going to apply a little bit of highlight right here in my inner corner, and I'm going in with the Pure Cosmetics one, as you guys know. Okay, so I think we are all done. No, wait, I am going to put some Morphe setting spray. Okay guys, so this is it for this glam. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.